Hi guys, we are here to test our application. Our application name is At811. It is an Android application to locate a GPS point, and we have deployed our application on Samsung S6 phone. The Android version of this phone is 6.0.1, that is Marshmallow. Now let's open our application and see how it works. Here is our application. So here you are able to see two buttons. One is to locate our current location and one is to load the GPS points around our area. So let's go to our current location first. Now here we are at our current location. Let's see whether there are any GPS points around our area. So here we are able to see there are no points in this area. Actually, we have marked some sample GPS points in the database at the university location and also at the AT-Link office. So let's enter the university address over here so that it takes us to the university address. The university address is 2700 Bay Area Boulevard. So now here we are at the university location. Here we are at the university location. Let's zoom to the location first. And now let's press this button so that we'll get the GPS points around that area. If you see here, you are able to see two GPS points which are marked in the database. So as our primary goal is to locate the GPS point, let's select one GPS point and see what happens. If we select one GPS point here, now actually the application is calculating the distance from our current location to the destination, that is the selected GPS point. And here it is telling us that the destination is more than half mile and it wants us to redirect to Google Maps so that it can show us the driving directions. So let's press OK and see what happens. So here we are going to start the driving directions now.
Head northwest on Moonrock Drive toward Bay Area Boulevard, then turn right onto Bay Area Boulevard.
Now we are heading to our college.
You should reach your destination by 8:51 p.m. Head northwest on Moonrock Drive toward Bay Area Boulevard, then turn right onto Bay Area Boulevard. Turn right onto Bay Area Boulevard. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Graduate Drive. Turn right onto Graduate Drive, then turn right. Turn right, then turn left. Turn left, then turn right. Turn right, then your destination will be on the right. You've arrived.
So now our application shows that we have reached the location. Let's go back to the application and see how far the GPS point is from our location, as we have to locate it. Now we came back to our application. Let's see how far is the GPS point from us. So here it again calculated the distance from our current location to the GPS point, and it says that the destination is within 300 feet, and it is asking us whether we want to redirect it to Google Maps or not. So let's click OK. So now as it is within 300 feet, it is showing us the walking directions. Let's start the walking directions.
Head northwest. Turn right. Your destination is on the left.
So now we reached our destination. So let's go back to the application and see how far the GPS point is from our location. As we are back to our application, let's see how far the GPS point is from our location. Let's select the GPS point now, and here it is again calculating the distance from our current location to the GPS point, and it says that the destination is within 50 feet. Here comes the augmented reality view. So it is asking us to continue opening camera or not. So let's open it and see what happens. So as the camera opens, you can see the augmented reality view where you can see the GPS point in the camera. So now in this camera you're going to see the directions to reach the GPS point. Let's tap on the screen to know that. So here it says x is equal to -4 and y is equal to 5, and the GPS point is 12 meters diagonally left from our location. So let's move diagonally left from our location. So now we headed diagonally left to our location. So let's go back to the application and refresh our current location so that we can see how far we reached. So to refresh the location, just click on the current location button, then load the GPS points and select the GPS point again, and here you are able to see that the destination is within 50 feet again. So let's open the camera view. So here we are able to see the GPS point again. Let's see, it is x is -4 and 2. As you can observe, the distance has been decreased and the coordinates are changed, and it is asking us to move more diagonal left from our current location. So let's move. Now we came back to the application and refreshed the location again so that we can know where exactly the GPS point is. So let's select the GPS point now, and let's open the camera. Now here if you can see, there is a GPS point there. So let's tap on the screen to know where we are exactly. So if you can see, x is 0, y is 0, and the GPS point is 1.87 meters under the ground, which means we have located the GPS point, and the negative value indicates that it is under the ground, and if it's positive, then it is above the ground. So we have reached our primary goal, that is locating the GPS point, and here the point is.